Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook spicy chicken noodles. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. Let's see the ingredients. 400 grams chicken breast, 400 grams rice noodles, 4 cardamoms, 5 cloves, 50 grams tomatoes, 2 green chili, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 100 grams carrot, 75 grams beans, 50 grams leeks, 5 tablespoons vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons chili paste, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, water, and salt to taste. First thing first, boil a pot of water. I boiled in a kettle around 1 liter, and then get your mise en place ready. Cut your vegetables into julienne style and chop tomatoes and chilies. In the pan, add your chicken breast and 500 ml water and a teaspoon of salt. Then turn on the cooker and boil it for around 7 minutes. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, get your noodles in, add another teaspoon of salt and 1 liter boiling water to the same noodles pot. Let it covered with the lid and leave it for a 5 to 6 minutes. Let's go back to the chicken pot. Turn the pieces over so they can cook evenly on both sides. Once it cooked, shut the chicken with the help of 2 forks. The chicken stock in the same pan. Take a large pan so you can cook the noodles without mashing them. Heat the pan and pour in the oil. Then add cardamoms and cloves. Now add finely chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Then saute until the tomatoes are mashed. Add ginger garlic paste to it. Then fry until the raw smell goes away. At this stage, I am adding carrots and beans, leaving the leeks to add at the end because these vegetables take longer to cook than the leeks. Saute the vegetables and add half a teaspoon of salt to enhance their flavor. Then pour the sesame oil and chili paste. Saute it on a medium flame. Make sure this is not a stir fry noodles, so there is no need to keep the flame high. Scrape off anything that sticks to the bottom of the pan as it adds flavor to the dish. But make sure the bottom doesn't burn. We don't want a burnt smell in the dish. Now add the poached chicken and chicken stock to the pan and mix the ingredients together. Then add freshly crushed black pepper and mix well. chicken and vegetables in the chicken stock until all the ingredients absorb the flavors. When you notice the stock has reduced, add the leeks to it. Mix well until all the ingredients are cooked together. Now drain the water from the noodles and add them to the pot. At this stage, the noodles should be al dente before combining with the rest of the ingredients. Finally, pour in the light soya sauce and mix gently. Note: avoid overmixing or overcooking the noodles once added to the pot, as rice noodles can break and become mushy easily. Another tip: once you add the noodles, make sure to use a noodle serving spoon, also known as a spaghetti serving spoon. This helps mix everything evenly, ensuring the noodles are individually coated with the flavors and seasonings. Finally, taste a bit of the noodles to ensure they are seasoned with enough salt. Adjust the salt to your preference before serving. Remember, avoid double dipping the spoons into the dish. Maintain the good food hygiene. Make it a habit to uphold high standards of cleanliness and clean as you go. Serve the dish hot and warm plate with love. Enjoy your meal.